Hello friends, welcome to my channel CS Learning. In the previous video, we have seen how to implement if-else condition using Python. In this one, we will see how to use if-else ladder in Python. So, similar thing we will going to see over here also, but a little bit difference it is having. If you are having multiple conditions to apply or multiple criteria for your conditions, you should use the if-else ladder. So see here, we will see an example of coding. The question is that accept the marked price from the user and calculate the net amount. So here you can see the condition has been given in this box or in this table format, that if the marked price is less than 10,000, then discount price is 20%. Then we will make a discount over here 20%. If the price is in between 7,000 to 10,000, then the discount will be 15%. And if the price is greater if the price is less equals to 7,000, then the discount is 10%. So we will make this condition in if-else ladder. We will implement this condition in if-else ladder, and we will calculate the discount for each and every case. Okay, so let's move on to the Jupyter notebook and let's see what will be the code. Okay. So see over here, first we have to take input for the mark price. This is input price. So we are taking input the price. Now we are checking if the price is greater than 10,000, then the discount will be 20%. Let's remember that if the price is greater than 1,000, then the discount is 20%. If the price is in between 7,000 to 10,000, then the discount rate will be 15%. And if the marked price is less than 7,000, then the discount rate will be 10%. So according to that, we are calculating the discount over here in each and every case. Okay, so we have implemented here 3 if conditions. Now we can write over here like this, ELIF as well. Okay, but if I run this code will not give me a proper output. Suppose the market price is 800, 5,000. So it is falling under the second condition, that is 7,000 to 10,000, in between 7,000 to 10,000. So you can see the net amount to be paid it is giving here. It is not displaying the discount amount actually, because we are not giving here a print statement for the discount, for printing the discount. So if I change the code a little bit and write here print discount is D, and we will do same for the all. Okay, now the net amount we have calculated over here in A equals to MP minus D. That means the mark price minus the discount will be the net amount that should be paid by the customer. Okay, now if I run this code again and taking Now taking the price is 4,000, so it will be discount will be 10%, that is 400, and the net amount will be 3,600. Okay, so this is it. Again I am running the code with a greater amount. Let's take greater than 10,000 and let's see what will happen if I give this. You can see the discount is this much and the net payable amount also has been calculated. Okay, so this way we can use ELIF ladder. This is called ELIF ladder, and in Python I can use multiple if condition and the work will be the same. See, the work will be the same. It is working in a similar way, right? So I hope this will be helpful for you understanding if else and ELIF ladder, and similar kind of programs you should practice so that you will understand much better and in a much good way. Thank you very much. Let's end up here today. In the next videos, we will see about some another codes.